You know how tough it can be to find a cell signal or get on the internet sometimes? Well, imagine trying to make it happen in the middle of a combat zone. That's where the 5th Mob at Robins Air Force Base comes in. Inslee Nichols shows you some of the new gadgets they're using to do their job even better.
Something pretty rare to see.
From as far as Hawaii, Missouri, Illinois, and California, these boots on the ground joined together at Robins Air Force Base to talk about combat communications and training.
This is bringing the internet, so it's bringing the Air Force network to the warfighter at the edge.
Active duty, guards, and reserves showed off the ways they work together to bring internet access to soldiers in some of the toughest spots on Earth. Now they're looking for ways to use less power and smaller equipment.
It's expensive to put things on an aircraft, and when they're really heavy, it makes it more expensive. Jet fuel is not cheap, so if we can downsize and make it easier, we can get more equipment out there and get it to more places.
This beach ball looking thing is called a gator ball. It's an antenna that combat comms set up by blowing it up with air. They say it's more practical than the larger, older tech.
We were able to put everything in the back of 2 pickup trucks, which in the past we'd have to put everything on pallets, put them on a 5-ton truck, and then drive down here at 50 miles an hour.
Combat comms must work fast when delivering equipment, so the smaller, the better.
So we can travel a lot lighter with less people and with the same amount of capabilities, but the equipment's smaller.
All to improve strategy for future missions. In Warner Robins, Inslee Nichols, 13 WMAZ News.
The 2-week training session wraps up at the end of this week.